Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to force spell check before sending email in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox and emails load up on the screen. This is where all your incoming messages appear, and it's also the starting point for accessing Outlook's settings. Now, to force spell check before sending emails, navigate to the File menu. You'll find this tab at the top part of your screen where all your main tools and menus are located. Go ahead and click on the File tab to open it. This is where you can access important settings and configurations for your Outlook account. Once the File menu opens, direct your attention to the bottom part of this menu. You'll see an option called Outlook Options. Click on it to open the Outlook Options window. This is the central hub for customizing how Outlook behaves, and it's where you can control everything from email composition to notification settings. When the Outlook Options window appears, you'll notice several tabs listed on the left side of the screen. From this list of settings tabs, click on Mail. This section specifically controls how your emails are composed and sent. Under the Mail section, you'll directly see a section labeled Compose Messages. This is where you can adjust settings related to writing and sending emails. Now from here, locate the checkbox that says Always check spelling before sending. This is the key setting that forces Outlook to run a spell check every time you attempt to send an email. Click on this checkbox to enable it by placing a check mark in the box. Once you've enabled this setting, click on OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. This ensures that your new setting is applied and active. Now, let's test the settings to make sure everything is working correctly. Click on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. An email composition window will appear, allowing you to write a new message. From here, add a sample recipient in the To field and type in a misspelled word in the body of the email. This will help you see the spell check feature in action. Watch what happens once you hit the Send button. Instead of sending the email immediately, a spell check window appears on your screen. This window gives you suggestions for the misspelled words you added in your email, helping you catch errors before your message goes out. Click on the Change button to correct the misspelled word. After making the correction, you can close this window and proceed to sending your email with confidence. And that's it. You've now configured Outlook to always check your spelling before sending any email, ensuring your messages are polished and professional. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.